Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's Nelly Nyaga, and today's video I'm going to be recreating Pinterest outfits. And if you're that girl who likes scrolling through Pinterest to find inspiration, continue watching, subscribe, and let's jump into the video. Right now the cold is giving Nairobi, it's not my mother, and it's so cold. Kwanza at night I'm like, okay, chill man. No, don't chill. Become hotter. Anyway, so this is the first outfit that I'm doing winter inspired outfit. So it's all about keeping warm but still looking good. I don't want to be outside and still looking chopped. These are the accessories that I need. A little disclaimer: I'm using random and basic outfits that I have. I'm not going out of my way to buy the exact same thing. I'm not that rich. Okay, but you can make me rich. I hate wearing pull necks because pull necks be doing too much. Because how is my head beating on this? This one I must struggle with it because I don't know where I'm gaining a lot of weight. If you don't jump when putting jeans on, you don't know my pain. I need a gym membership after this, or somebody just to come and train me. This is the only outfit that's going to have a bag. So she has heels, so I'm pairing them with this Zara heels. So yeah, they're from Zara, I know. I saw that you were in Shanghai for a long time. She's wearing a silver bag. So this is how it looks like. Yeah, and how is she posing? Okay, let me know how she's posing. I'll pose for you. She has tucked it in like this, as you can see. Yeah, together with the shoes. This is like an exact match. This is how she's posing, okay? With a serious face. Then the hair is being seen a little also. Rate this 1 to 10. I rate this 9. It's a perfect match, but for the legs I guess they should be longer. The pant legs should be longer to cover part of my heels, but I think kind of nailed it a little bit. So don't fail to comment your rating down on the comment section, okay? Let's jump to the next outfit. This is the next outfit, and I saw it still needs a pull neck, so I'm not doing any other outfit. So let's just exhaust the pull necks because they are just frustrating me. So I have to pair them with these skirts that I'm wearing. They are short skirts. You'll see them in the final. So you can see she has a certain, which color is that? Greenish color as an accent color. I don't have any green long coat like that, but I have another long coat in color brown, so that's why I'm doing them with this brown coat over here. It's a very long coat. I'm also pairing them with this long thigh-high boots, brown as well, because she has green as the accent color. My accent color will be brown. Let me start with the coat because I think the heels are going to give me pressure. Beach is mad again, not about the money, but the husband, but I don't know which side is which side. We're going to figure out together. Out of 10, I definitely rate this 7, just because I didn't use their accent color. But honestly, this outfit is a raw. Like, I don't even need tights. It already feels warm, and if I feel cold I can just cover it like this and it will look so cute. I like it. How do you rate it as well? I rate it a 7. Rate it however you want to rate it on the comment section. Figaro, 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 Figaro. I know I'm sweating. I like this outfit, so let's get to the next one. For the next outfit, I'm supposed to be doing it with like a blue button up shirt, but this one is so small, so I'm switching it to a white, so -1 mark for that. I feel like this one will do better. I have to pair it with a black blazer, and I'm also using knee-high boots. This one I can even wear them before I wear the coat, so yeah. This I'm starting with this because I like them. They're so very comfortable, so comfy, so comfy. So I'm thinking of, what am I thinking? I'm not even thinking anything, guys. Don't listen to me. Just watch. So let's put this on. I have to come up with a belt. So I'm just going to use a bladder, a strip, okay? A black strip. So let me come. You are not supposed to see this, okay? Don't ask me where I'm coming from. Oh, hot. Yeah, oh, it's still there. Yeah, it's giving, it's serving, I just did my thing with this outfit. Like, I'm thinking of leaving this button on or leaving it off. I don't know, but you see the wow, really. I like this outfit. It's cute. But yeah, I'm sweating. Changing clothes and changing clothes makes it difficult, but it's a nice fit. Yeah, I rate it 10 out of 10 minus 1 from earlier. Remember? The next outfit. Yeah, I almost have everything except for oversized tee, so I'm using a button up oversized and some boots. I guess those are Uggs, but they're gonna give the same vibes. An accent scarf. Okay, this outfit, I'm out, like I'm shooting outside. Cropped black oversized shirt. I'm also missing on that, and wide black oversized trouser. This is the only thing I guess I did it right on this outfit, but I think they're going to give the same vibe, so let's just wear them. I don't think this will give the same vibe as this one, but it will give the short vibe and the long arms vibe, so we'll handle this bam. Okay, this one 10 out of 10 minus all the pants that are mixed up, but I think this is the most best played outfit. I like the outfit just because I like baggy fits. I guess that's why I like this outfit too much, but it's giving what's supposed to be giving, don't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it not? Isn't it? Is it? Is it? Okay, so yeah, I like the outfit. Let's jump to the next outfit. I need to come with the things that I'm supposed to be wearing. For the next outfit, I'm wearing a jumpsuit, the one that I got from Shein. Had a little accident here, but it's alright. I kind of forgot what I'm supposed to be coming with. Oh, the next outfit, I'm needed to wear some nice sports shoes. I have counterfeit New Balances. I don't know if they're counterfeit or they're real, but I'm pretty sure they're counterfeit. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing, and I don't have that half top thing, so I'm going to give you a little bit of hack. I have this crop sweater situation over here, and I'm going to be tying it with this. I couldn't find a hairband for the life of me. Even my hair, I've not tied it with a hairband, so I'm just using this to accessorize. This is how it's supposed to be looking. Then you turn it outside. It's a cute top. Then I wear it. I'm supposed to wear it like this. Guys, yeah, I told you. Back doesn't look tied. I know. Stop. Didn't tell you I don't have leg warmers, so that's why I chose this one. So tell me, how did I do with this one? Don't look at the mishaps, okay? Just look at how I helped the outfit. Can you wear this outfit? Okay, so this one I'm rating a 10 out of 10. I don't care what I don't have already. As you can see, I'm matching it perfectly. She is raising her hand like this, and I also have the white band, so 10 out of 10 for details, okay? 1 for details. Last but not least is the last outfit. I had a lot of fun doing this, so I'm accessorizing it, as you can see, with a gray blazer and my Valhalla boots. I love them. Again, they're my babies, okay? So I really love this and the outcome of it. I'm not talking too much, I don't know why. I guess I'm used to doing videos with music in the background. But yeah, I love these outfits. All these outfits I just wear outside. You vibe with it, rock with it. I can take a bing with it. Okay. So this is how it looks. Tell me the outfit may summarize into 1 minute or 1 second. But yeah, she's wearing sort of a black black dress that actually is the same height with the trenchie or the blazer. This is how it looks like. This one I can wear it outside definitely. Like right now I'm loving the boot vibe because of the mud. You can rock with the boots anywhere. This is how it looks in the back. Okay, I love this outfit so much. I love making this video. If you've enjoyed watching this video, like the video, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you can be notified each and every time that I post a new video. So it's fun, but catch you up on the next video.